Salt water, miracle or myth? Salt water. It sounds like something you should avoid drinking, right? Questions from my audience are: what is salt water? What is the ratio of salt water to drink? What quantity of salt water to drink? Answers of all of your questions will be discussed in this video. I mean, everyone tells you don't drink ocean water, you'll get dehydrated. But what if I told you a small, controlled amount of salt water could actually improve your hydration, support digestion, and even help your energy levels? Let's break down the science, bust some myths, and talk about exactly how much salt water is safe to drink and why people are starting their mornings with it. What is salt water really? So first, what exactly is salt water? There are two kinds. Number one, the salty stuff in the ocean, full of sodium, minerals, and microorganisms, not safe to drink. Number two, a homemade diluted version made with natural salt and clean drinking water. That's what we're talking about today, and it's often called soul water. Soul water is made by dissolving natural salt, like Himalayan pink salt or sea salt, into water. This isn't your regular white table salt, which is often stripped of minerals and loaded with anti-caking agents. Why would anyone drink this? The benefits. Now here's why people drink it. 1. Hydration boost. Plain water isn't always enough, especially if you're low on electrolytes. Adding a pinch of natural salt helps your body absorb water more efficiently and retain essential minerals. 2. Digestion support. Salt water may help stimulate stomach acid and bile production, which can improve digestion. It also gets things moving, if you know what I mean. 3. Energy and cramp prevention. Those minerals in salt, like magnesium and potassium, can help reduce fatigue and muscle cramps. That's why athletes use electrolytes. The perfect ratio? Don't guess it. So, what's the magic recipe? Take 1 liter of water, add 1/4 teaspoon of natural salt. That's all. How much should you drink? Less is more. Seriously. Start with 1 glass in the morning, about 250 to 300 milliliters. Drink it on an empty stomach. Give it 20 to 30 minutes before breakfast. This helps reset your hydration after a night of sleep, but don't overdo it. Drinking too much salt water, even if it's the good kind, can mess with your kidneys, blood pressure, and digestion. Moderation is key. Myths busted. Real talk. Myth. 1. Salt is bad for you. Not always. Natural salt in small amounts is actually essential for health. It's processed table salt and excess sodium in junk food that cause problems. Myth 2. Salt water will raise my blood pressure. If you're drinking it responsibly, just a 1/4 teaspoon per liter, it's very unlikely to spike your blood pressure. But if you have a medical condition, talk to your doctor first. Myth 3. It tastes awful. Not if you make it right. Remember, it should taste barely salty. You're not sipping soup your turn. Let's talk. Okay, now that you've got the full scoop on salt water, I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried drinking salt water in the morning? What was your experience like? Or are you thinking about giving it a shot? Tell us in the comments. I read every single one, and I might even feature some of your stories in the next video. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. It helps a ton. Make sure to subscribe if you want more simple health hacks explained without the fluff. And hey, send this to a friend who adds way too much salt to their fries. They need this.